is me. Me. I gotta go up here and turn around and come down that because no way, Jose, am I gonna make it up that. We just tried. So I'm dead heading to the top and then coming down that way. I know it looks all flat to you and up and down. It's all the same in a 2D landscape, but this is steep 3D style. Down the camera. He's going for it over there. Whoa, where's my microphone at? Ah, there it is. So I want to put back my auger before I go driving past him because that would go badly. Because it almost hits right there. Now I can level over to over here. We'll watch, see if it goes to maximum level. It didn't. That's good. Turn away from him. Make sure my rear wheel assist isn't on.
Full, Trevor?
Yeah. Yeah, 10-4, you're full. Yeah. I don't know how to get that, Jamie. We don't get that, huh, Jamie? No. How do we get that? I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Yes, look at this. Look at this. I was trying to get the stuff at the bottom of this draw. This ain't working. But I'm kind of getting some of it. I'm pussing out. I don't want to go up there. You making it, Jamie? I just couldn't for the life of me let us leave this little bit of wheat at the bottom of this, even though it's probably not even going into the grain tank because it's not designed to do tiny bits like that. Damn it. What is going on here? It's just so thin it does not want to cut. This has got to be on the ground. Wow. Maximum level. Oh, Jamie looks like he's doing it over there. That is just some steep nonsense over there where Jamie's at. And I'm about to go up, follow that line maybe. I don't know. Oops. You think I could go up there, Jamie, or what?
I don't know. Let me see where I'm at before you get. If I can make it across there, then maybe. If I have issues, I'll just cut out of it.
Yeah. I don't think I can turn right here. That's the thing. Honestly. I mean, I could cut up into it and put a dog nut in it. Trevor's coming out to put a dog nut in the piece on a hillside. This is a good place they need to do it, though. There's like no wheat here. Yeah, there's no wheat. I'll come make tracks too.
I don't know. The ground seems pretty firm. I'm not doing it. I'm right in the dead smack center of it, and it's not doing anything other than cutting forward.
Okay. Okay, 10-4, I cut into it, so I'm following you. Rear wheel assist. There's like nothing here. What am I cutting?
I had a video of this one, though. This is cool.
I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing myself.
I'm impressed with this dog process, because, yeah.
I'm Tokyo drifting this thing. We're doing it. Cutting that way, and it's the line's that way, but we're this way. Can you feel it? Well, the only one that feels this. Now, bring the back tires up. There we go. By turning down. You know what I mean? Because it's rear wheel turning. Yep, this is how to do whatever this is, 101. Well, I'm barely clipping heads, but we're doing it. I'm bouncing. Slow her down.
Hey, Drew, do you have a copy?
Brakes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you cutting your way down too, or deadheading?
I'm deadheading at the moment.
This is fun.
Okay. I think once I can make another pass or two across that, and then I think we could all, that was the worst of that piece. Then I think we could work all that hill, these three big machines.
Okay, I'm gonna try to cut Makeout Road here if I remember right how to do this.
Do you want to finish working on that, or just take and go and do as much as we can on this back piece? All I'm saying is this, Trevor just made the second pass across there, and it's 2 more passes back and forth on it, or 2 more passes, and the worst of it's done.
Are you seeing me come down this hill?
That spot right there is where I slid out of the whole fucking piece, is that corner right there.
I'm trying to cut wheat, man. I can't talk on the radio and do this. There we go. I made it.
You can remember Bankout Road, make Bankout access, and then we'll head back here behind Joe's and get as much as we can with these machines. I don't know, I haven't heard anything on my combine.
Oh, it ain't got no hook or what? Oh, the hook is hooked to this. The hook is hooked to this. Just hooked to there. Okay. Hello. Hello. So now I'm headed to the next piece. Just make sure it's hey, good. What do you know? Hey, Joe, what do you know? Whoops. We're still recording. All right. Taking off my hat. This thing hurts wearing a hat. That was what I just went on to the right of him. Here comes the bank out along the side hill. Didn't like those tumbleweeds, huh? No, because my reel's so far forward back that it won't go in. There we go. Okay. I want the reel to go back in. This is so bad up here. Yeah, put it back here. 9. There. How low can we go? That's the question. Well, that's nice. I don't like that. Bouncy bounce. Rear wheel assist on, maybe help the bounce go away. Maximum level. Of course it is. I mean, I can feel it tipped. It's on auto. I can feel it tipped out. I bet my dad, when he got this machine, never thought I'd be doing some like this. That was for the algorithm. I censored the first S word, and then called the third S word the S word, and then called 4 words S words 5 times. So you start sounding stupid. S word, S word, S word, N word, N word, onward. I mean, onward, N word, inward, N word, onward. 3 completely different things. Onward with the N word. Haha. I'm trying to keep my channel PG-13 anymore. Think about branching out and having multiple channels. Having a podcast channel for me and whoever, and then having a funny channel for me, and then maybe some type of street racing channel. But I don't want to do street racing. No. Let's collect the videos from the internet. Just think it would feed better if that thing frickin' fed or flew off. I mean, this tumbleweed. Is that too fast? No. I'm just going pretty fast.
Do we have any bank outs following Trevor and me? Oh.
No.
Yeah, that. Oh, you know when you cross the road at the dump road to go over to the trucks? Just cross the road and you'll see our tracks cutting up on this last hill back here.
Okay, I'll come follow you guys.
Trevor, how far back are you behind me?
150 yards.
I'm gonna get to a spot up here and I'll make a mark again where I need you to make a bank out road to the top and then just make the bank out road all the way back to the fence line. I'm gonna have to figure out a spot, well, at least a spot on top so I can get up there and dump before I go and open up the back hole, I guess.
Okay. Okay, 10-4. It's that double affirmative. That's that okay 10-4. That's what I like. Nicely executed. Perfect. Watch that back tire, making sure it doesn't drop off the hill.
You see where I'm at, right?
Yeah.
Then just go straight up to the top from here to my right, and I'm gonna go up and hit the fence line and try to make a circle up there unless you get there first, but so I can get down up there.
10-4. Did I stop recording or start recording again? No, I'm still recording. That's good. Good to know.